Financial statement should always consist of an income statement and balance sheet. Now, what's the difference between a balance sheet and an income statement? All right, I'll be moving on to the next slide and showing you, but it's to explain in a simple way. You need to understand this. When you talk about income statement, it's more of a summary, all right, of your assets and expenses, or of your assets and liabilities. With a balance sheet, what you have is a detailed report. Make sense? Let me give you an example. All right, so what you see here is, you see business, you see investment, salary if employed, that's income. Expenses are mortgage, grocery, car loans. More of a summary thing. But if you're to go by, let's say, a balance sheet, let me go to the previous slide. You see this? This is more detailed. Make sense? Income statement is just a summary. Are you guys with me? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Balance sheet, you have to be more specific. All right? List down each and every asset of yours. List down each and every expenses of yours in the liabilities column. Got it? Cool. Any questions so far? Decided to discuss about this topic. The main reason was I could see a lot of millennials, a lot of youngsters not having a proper control with their funds. All right? And that means, let's say if a person has one business, the person does not know how to utilize the funds properly. All the money, all the savings goes into one bank account, all right? Thereby, when it is time for the person to, let's say, go on a leisure trip, to perhaps start a new investment program, the person starts to struggle, all right? So, in today's topic, in today's program, I'm gonna be going in detail and give you some really effective tips that has helped me, all right, to have a strong financial platform, and which will help you too. All right? Don't understand the jargon or language of accounting, will not be able to run a business successfully. All right? Especially the basics. If you don't know what your expenses are, if you don't know what your profits are, if you don't know what your taxes are, you're going to be really, really struggling and having a hard time. Yes, I'm not saying that you need to become an accountant, you need to go and get a degree, and become an accounts manager or so, but it's very important that you understand the basics. Remember, I was saying something yesterday when, I believe it was Sandra who asked me a question on when exactly do you kind of, hire the person. So this was what I said. I said, the first important thing is for you to understand the basics of your business that you're planning to start, or something that you're planning to implement. Once you're confident with the theories, with the processes of your business, that's the only time you should be going ahead and looking for someone who can take care of a certain task for your business. Make sense? These are properties that is bringing in money, all right? Not properties where you can just go and relax and have your vacations. No. So get that clear. Then ATM business, another asset that puts in money in your account. Online publishing business, affiliate marketing business, agro farming, which is an investment, shipping or transport business. All right, all these things are putting money in your pocket. Liabilities, home mortgage, grocery expenses, electricity, car loans, credit cards, miscellaneous or entertainment. Are you guys getting the idea? Anybody that is seeing a balance sheet for the first time here? Don't feel shy, you can raise your hands. You can hear it, take it out from the other ear. But I can assure you one thing. You will definitely become successful if you implement all these strategies, all the principles, all the theories that is being discussed here. All right? So